Hi everyone. Okay, so I have just came home to these boxes. I brought them out back. I have been waiting on it. I have UPS sent me some tracking information and I have been tracking them. To me the boxes look little, but I always want to share with you all me unboxing it together. I always like to wait and then we unbox it together. I know what type of roses they are, but as you see, I have not opened these boxes yet. So let's go ahead and let's get started, and then I'll share with you the David Austin roses that I have been waiting and anticipating for. I am going to try to do this one-handed. I tried to sit it on the pergola behind me, but it's a little bit too tall and somebody is about to cut their grass. I swear, I think that somebody has a detector or a sensor on what's going on out here. But anyway, let me see if I can open the first box up here with one hand, and then we'll see what we have. I'm going to use my foot as like an anchor, so if I can't do it, then I'll just like come back. My foot and my legs. Let's see how strong they are. Okay. So this is the first box here, and I just want to show you how it looks inside before you even pull them out. And I ordered, let me see which ones these are, because when they came, they have the tags in them. If I can just pull them out, but this is how they look when you first get them in the box. This is the Desdemona, which is white blooms with pink at the earliest stage of flowering, a lovely rose and almond blossom fragrance, and it gets about 4 feet high, 3 feet wide, zones 5 to 10. And when I was looking for roses, I really researched, because these are like shrub, I guess they'll be like shrub roses, and I was also wanting a nice fragrance. So many roses that you buy at the big box stores, they don't smell, and so I just wanted something that was really fragrant. So these are the Desdemona, and I ordered 2 of the white ones, so they gave me 2 like little tags here, and in here it also includes rose cultivation book with the order. Really nice, really nice. So I'll read up on that. What I do like about it, and what I liked about the catalog that they send here, is even if you're new to gardening, they kind of coach you through everything. I'll just kind of, with one hand, basically it shows you how to plant it. But what I also like is you can get on a schedule too, as far as feeding them. It lets you know your region here. I'm trying to get to the page because I just saw it. Okay, so we are southeast, so I would find that, and it basically tells you what to do based on your region, when to spray. They also had the spray that they recommended, when to feed it. So we'll do a feeding in May, we'll do one in July, you do summer pruning in August, and you do your 4th feed in September. But I really like that it kind of coaches you through so that you can have some beautiful roses. So let me pull these out and then I'll set them out for you. So I hope y'all can hear me, but so I actually had to lay this box flat, because as I was pulling it, they are in there really snug. So I did not want to mess up or break anything, so I just laid the box on its side and just kind of tore it like this. But these are the 2 Desdemona. I need to learn these names. So this is how they look when you pull them out, and as you can see, they got a really nice root system, really nice roots on here. So I'm going to pull these out and just kind of let them sit, because I don't have time to plant them today. I'm just going to be honest, but I want to get them in the ground as soon as possible. So I'll look and see. But as you see, this one, it already has some rosebud coming on here. But I was really looking over the different smells, and I just can't wait to smell them. So that is box 1. Let's go ahead and open up box 2. Okay, so while I'm opening this box again with my feet and my legs, I went to a garden center, and they had, not in this area, they had some David Austin roses. I think those were like some yellow ones, but I have been looking for David Austin roses, couldn't find any, so I ordered it online, and as soon as I order it, then you start seeing them at the garden centers. But anyway, they really weren't the colors that I wanted. Okay, so in this box right here, this is I also ordered the mycorrhizae fungi that was suggested to add when you're planting your roses, so I got a pack of that. And then I also got some of the David Austin rose food. So we got that. And this one, I'm not really liking the way they broke off one of these, but it's okay, they'll come back. I guess they laid it on its side, or when it was shipping, it got, I know it probably been through so much, so I got to take these out. This one is broke right here. They done been through so much, so I'm gonna have to kind of put them right. But anyway, this one right here is the, and when I ordered those, I was thinking I definitely wanted shrub roses, and I was gonna order all white, but then I wanted to break it up a little bit. So this is the Queen of Sweden here, which is also like a nice soft pink, but it has a classic medium to light myrrh scent, exceptionally healthy and hardy with few thorns, because I really paid attention to my zone here in the coast, and these were some of the roses that they suggested for this hot southeast coastal heat. So these are so pretty to me, so I hope they not only look good but smell good also. So let me pull them out and get them set up, and then I'll show you everything. So first, let me just say what I thought were roots, y'all. Those were not roots. Those were just some kind of look like roots, don't they? But no, they were just like some packaging that were around the plant to kind of hold them together. I can tell they've been through a little something on the ride from Texas to Georgia. They were beat up a little bit, but I rinsed it off. I rinsed them off just a little bit. I can't get them planted today, but I'm going to try my best to get them planted here in the next few days, get them in the ground and get them to growing. But let me tell y'all something. I have to shout out my husband. Let me know in the comments below. I know most people who are military have heard this term, dress right dress, and that is how he liked things. And this patio is anything but that. So I have been telling him I'm gonna get it right, I'm gonna get it right. I mean, it looks crazy, but I know like in the next month or so it's gonna be all put together. So let me go over once again what we have, because I've kind of put things all over the place. We have 3 roses, and I'm gonna get ready to do my April garden tour, and I know I'll have them planted by then. But I had a little area, I'll link the other garden tour. I had a little area where I wanted my David Austin roses that I showed you, and so we're gonna put them there. So we have in this shipment, we have one, we have this one here is the one Queen of Sweden. She got beat up the most, but I know she'll come back. And also let me know in the comments, guys, do you name your plants? A lot of them I do. I name my plants and I talk to them, and it's okay. It is okay. So we have that Queen of Sweden, which she'll be in the middle. So I'm gonna do white, pink, white, because it's a smaller area and I didn't want it to overcrowd it, and because remember, and I'll link that video too about reading the plant tags, because as they grow you don't want them to become too much for the area, and it can, you know, invite diseases and different funguses and stuff. So I definitely want to give them enough air and enough room to grow. So that's why I got 3. So we have the Queen of Sweden, we have the Desdemona, which I think will be pretty because it starts off like a pink and goes to white. And I'm hoping they'll smell good. Also in the shipment, again, we have the David Austin rose food here and the mycorrhizae fungi that you put when you're planting this. And it's a little small bag, but you definitely don't need much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please share it with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time that we upload a video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.